Hello, this is Lady Boulay, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your comments, and thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for all you do to support the channel. And yes, we are commanded to love one another, whether we want to or not, or whether we agree with each other or not. Well, y'all, this is another one of those stories that came from the slavery days that we didn't know about. Another case of stolen intellectual property. And who would have thought it? Who would have thought it? It has to do with alcohol, whiskey, one of the most famous brands that we've ever heard of, and that's Jack Daniels. The only problem was the Jack Daniels was a misnomer. It was misidentified. The real creator of the Jack Daniels is this man right here named Uncle Nearis. Nathan Uncle Nearis Green. The story of Uncle Nearis revolves around Nathan Nearis Green, a formerly enslaved black man who was a pioneer of distilling Tennessee whiskey. He taught Jack Daniel the whiskey making process in the 1850s, but his contributions went uncredited for many years. Uncle Nearis is now recognized as the first known African American master distiller. He probably was the first master distiller, period. They just stick African American or black onto something like this just to try to make people think that there was some white person that was a greater that came before him. Chances are he's the only one. And if they had to go dig up another name, it would take forever. Then they would come up with somebody you never heard of before. So we're going to just say he was the first master distiller in the United States. Nathan Nearis, and his name is not Nearest. I thought it was Nearest, but it's Nearis, Nearis, was born into slavery and emancipated after the American Civil War. He taught his distilling techniques to Jack Daniel, founder of the Jack Daniels Tennessee Whiskey Distillery. Green was hired as the first master distiller for Jack Daniel Distillery. Yeah, well, I guess so, since he was the one that knew how to do it. Sometime in the 1850s, when Jack Daniel was a child, he went to work for Dan Call, a preacher, grocer, and distiller. A preacher, a grocer, and a bootlegger. Okay, got it. According to company lore, the preacher was a busy man, and when he saw promise in young Jack, he taught him how to run his whiskey still. Now that's the lie they told about how this Jack Daniel whiskey came to be. However, in 2016, the New York Times published a story identifying Daniel's true teacher as Green, one of the people that the preacher enslaved. The newspaper reported that historians and locals have known the Green story for decades. Green's story, according to the article, built on oral history and the thinnest of archival trails, may never be definitely proved. Well, yeah, it's proved enough. Another article published by the Tennessee Tribune in March 2019 confirmed through the story of Fawn Weaver, an African American real estate investor and author, that Green's story continues to be passed down orally through the generations. Yeah, they always passed the stories down. They couldn't write. So they had to pass it down orally. A lot of our information was passed down orally and then later confirmed that it was the true thing. Now here's the tragedy in this. The man on the right got the credit for the work of the man on the left. Jack Daniels was founded, on the bottle it says 1866. So from 1866 to 2017, he was selling the man on the left's liquor, getting paid for it. Intellectual theft. Not only intellectual theft, but financial theft, because he has made millions, billions off that liquor. And the black man received nothing. Well, Dr. Martin Luther King said, the arc of the universe is long, but it leans towards justice. So if you can stay in the game long enough, you will receive justice. So Uncle Nearis Premium Whiskey was founded by Fawn Weaver, the woman that wrote the article, in 2017. She named the company after Nathan Nearest Green, the first known black master distiller, to highlight his hidden legacy. Nathan Green, also known as Uncle Nearest, was the formerly enslaved man who taught young Jack Daniel the craft of distilling. Weaver sought to rectify this overlooked piece of history by launching Uncle Nearest Whiskey in 2017 to honor Green and his vital role in American whiskey history. Well, her bet paid off. In 2022, Uncle Nearest officially surpasses 1 billion valuation and becomes the fastest growing American whiskey brand. So she very definitely bet on the right horse. And we're just scraping the tip of the iceberg when it comes to intellectual theft in the black community. There are lots and lots of other stories to be told, and they will be in time, because as we know, the truth always comes to the light. And the title, Uncle Nearest Family Stayed Black, was not just clickbait. This is a picture of his descendants, and they are all beautifully melanated. So Uncle Nearest's family stayed black. I don't know how they did it, but they managed to do it. Okay, thank you for listening, and have a great evening.